Roger, I told you to change this. F. Khalil. Why haven't you been coming to class? Isaac. That's an A+ student right there. What time is it? Oh, I gotta get that gas. Oh man, I forgot to sign the sheet. Dang it. Okay. Come in.
Professor Tommy.
Yeah.
Where are those attendance grids that I wanted last week?
Oh, I completely forgot.
Yeah.
I'll get...
They're due in an hour.
I'm gonna have to go through all of these sheets. Man, I really wish these guys would come to class. I don't know how I'm gonna get this done in an hour. Why does Roger keep skipping class?
Oh, yo, Professor, I have a solution to your problem. So, eliminating the paper-based part and ensuring security, as long as reducing fraud, I can help you with your attendance. With e-attendance. So here, you can see your courses. If you have multiple courses, you register to one instructor. Either if you're teaching advanced math or econ, you can choose your course. And then we'll start attendance session. So the student will get a tablet that's offered or provided within the classroom, and each person will sign in with some authentication. So we start attendance session. It shows the course, the current time, and the date. We begin the session. Then I'll look for my name or someone else's name, preferably mine. There will be warnings displayed if you have any warnings to be displayed, somehow automated by our app. And then there's a signature that I'll try and sign into. And then once I'm done, your attendance has been recorded.
This is great. This is going to save me so much time. And I can see if everyone attended. Roger, why do you keep skipping? Well, that's never going to change.
Alright. Hey class, this is Team RISKK here again. I'm Isaac, and my part was measuring the cohesion and coupling of our class diagram. So you may ask, what is cohesion or coupling? Cohesion ideally would be how compatible each component is, how they fit together. So here we will be showing like the association and like how each other class will inherit the features of another class. So there is some kind of interdependency between each object within our diagram. Ideally, we have some loose coupling here. So still referring back to like our layered architecture, each layer has its own, functionality. So as much as you need to change one layer, the other layer can still be effective. For example, our user interface can still work if we're having to do some some patches or anything like that within the inner layers. And ideally, we would want high cohesion and low coupling. I can take this and apply this to future systems that I either design or work on. That way it helps me with change and being effective in our groups.
Hi everyone, my name is Khalil Garrett and I worked on the front end this week. So I mostly worked on our sign up page. And I learned more about just writing in Java and communicating with our database.
I'm Roger. My tasks for this assignment were to continue the database and front-end implementations from the last assignment. For this assignment, I'd say that I learned quite a bit about Android user interfaces and application design. And this knowledge can be used to develop my final project and other mobile apps in the future.
Hey, I'm Seth, worked on the back end again. I'm learning a lot more Android and a lot of database, which is going to be very applicable to my future job. One of the biggest challenges we had for this assignment is we got done with the more exciting features early on, and the less exciting ones kind of come at the end. So there's not as as much joy in building things, but that's more realistic to real life. And so that's how we're going to learn from that.